Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the clock spring on a Hyundai Sonata. Disconnect the battery and wait at least 10 minutes before touching the airbag connectors. Remove the steering wheel trim and horn pad carefully to expose the clock spring assembly. Mark steering wheel position to preserve alignment. Unplug electrical connectors, remove the clock spring, and install the new unit aligned to the centered notch. Reassemble and verify airbag and horn function. Start by removing the negative battery terminal and letting circuits bleed for safety. Use a steering wheel puller if needed after removing the center bolt. Keep the wheel centered and mark its relation to the shaft before removal. Carefully disconnect airbag connectors and set the airbag aside in a safe place facing up. Unclip the clock spring, note its neutral tab, and slide out the old unit for replacement with the new aligned part. Quick recommendation: if you hate a stinky car after wrenching, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that lasts. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the channel to support more repair tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals I found for parts and tools. Thanks for supporting the channel and helping us grow. Truly. Now let's get back to the video. After installation, reconnect the battery and check for any airbag or ABS warning lights. Turn the steering wheel gently full left and right to ensure smooth rotation and no binding. Relearn the steering angle sensor if your car shows calibration errors, following the manufacturer's procedure or using an OBD2 tool. Verify horn, cruise control, and radio steering buttons work properly. If you see warning lamps persist, stop and consult a professional technician for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.